Hello once again. Please join me as I dive into the world of borage to discover just how amazing this plant really is. Borage, a lesser-known herb with a rich history and a variety of uses, often gets overshadowed by more popular ingredients in the culinary and herbal worlds. But today, I want to shine the spotlight on this incredible plant and explore why it's worth getting to know better. One of the biggest misconceptions about borage is that it's just a pretty flower, often used as a garnish or in salads. But the truth is, borage has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, cooking, and even in spiritual rituals. Many people think it's just a fancy version of parsley, but it's so much more than that. Another misconception is that borage is only good for its visual appeal. While its vibrant blue flowers are certainly stunning, the real magic happens in its leaves, stems, and seeds, which are packed with nutrients and medicinal properties. It's not just a pretty face, folks. Some people might think that borage is too exotic or hard to find, but the truth is, it's actually quite easy to grow in your own backyard, or find at your local farmer's market. It's not some rare, elusive ingredient that only fancy chefs have access to. Despite its many benefits, borage often gets overlooked in favour of more popular herbs, like basil or mint. But I'm here to tell you, this underdog is worth giving a shot. Borage is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It's an excellent source of omega-6 fatty acids, vitamin C and potassium, making it a great addition to your salads, smoothies and sautéed dishes. But that's not all. Borage also has some amazing medicinal properties, including anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help soothe skin irritations and calm anxiety. In the garden, borage is a natural attractant for pollinators, drawing in bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds. It's a natural pest repellent, and its tall stem and sprawling habit make it a great companion plant for tomatoes, squash, and other veggies. And in cooking, borage adds a subtle, slightly sweet flavour to soups, stews, and sauces. One of the most fascinating aspects of borage is its ability to support skin health. The antioxidants and fatty acids in borage can help soothe dry skin, reduce inflammation, and even combat signs of aging, like fine lines and wrinkles. It's like a natural face cream in a plant. But that's not all. Borage also has a special affinity for attracting pollinators, which is crucial for our ecosystem. By planting borage in your garden, you're not only getting a delicious and nutritious herb, but you're also supporting the local bee population and helping to preserve our food supply. Borage is truly a remarkable plant, and I hope I've convinced you to give it a try. Whether you're a seasoned herbalist, a curious cook, or just someone looking to try something new, borage is definitely worth exploring. However, please note the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. While borage has many potential benefits, it's important to note that some of its components may not be suitable for everyone, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking any medications. We strongly encourage you to consult with a qualified healthcare practitioner before incorporating borage or any new herb into your routine to ensure it's safe and appropriate for your individual needs. Your health and safety always come first. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of borage. If you have any experiences with this amazing plant, please share them with me in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about herbs and their incredible benefits, please subscribe to our growing taste community. And be sure to check out my other videos for more herbal insights. Thanks for watching.